Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 14th of February 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Singapore-based Cyan Renewables and Japan's Toyo Construction are planning to work together in the Japanese offshore wind market. The companies have signed a memorandum of understanding to establish what they describe as, quote, a strategic partnership to develop a comprehensive supply chain for offshore wind support vessels in Japan. Cyan Renewables said working together will enable the companies to leverage their respective strengths, assets, and expertise in the market for offshore wind vessels. In a press conference today, BWE and IG Metall, together with representatives of the Nordex Group and Siemens Gamesa Renewable Energy, called for the successful expansion of wind energy in Germany to be continued in the next legislative period. The group said that industrial production, jobs, competitiveness, and technological leadership must be secured in the long term. The association and the trade union are calling on the next federal government to develop a sustainable growth strategy involving associations, industry, and trade unions. Global electricity consumption is expected to rise at a strong annual rate of close to 4% through 2027, according to the International Energy Agency's Electricity 2025 report, which was released today. Growth in low-emission sources, mainly renewables and nuclear, is enough to meet all global power demand growth over the next 3 years. Renewables are set to meet about 95% of the growth. In 2025, renewables are projected to deliver more than one-third of total electricity generation globally, overtaking coal. Suzlon Group, a multinational wind turbine manufacturer based in Pune, has partnered with the Karnataka government to develop 3,000 megawatts of wind energy. The collaboration includes setting up an advanced wind turbine blade manufacturing facility in Vijayapura to produce up to 3,000 units. With an estimated investment of 2.5 billion rupees, this plant is projected to generate an annual turnover of over 8 billion rupees by its second year of operations. DRAGADOS Offshore is planning to add a new production site with 400,000 square meters of space in Spain for the manufacturing of TenneT's 2-gigawatt offshore converter stations. The production site is currently being built in the southern Spanish coastal town of Algeciras. The new Spanish shipyard site complements the existing DRAGADOS shipyard in Cadiz, Puerto Real, where another platform is being built for the LAN-WIN 4 grid connection system. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.